Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will review the Chase checking account. Chase checking accounts are popular and easy to open, especially if you want access to a big bank with lots of branches and ATMs. One of the best things about Chase is convenience. You can bank online on the app or in person. Their mobile app is user-friendly and packed with features like mobile check deposit, account alerts, and Zelle for sending money. Chase often gives sign-up bonuses and offers different account types like total checking and secure banking to fit your needs. But there's also some downsides. Most Chase checking accounts come with monthly fees unless you meet certain requirements like minimum balances or direct deposits. Their interest rates are low or non-existent on checking accounts, so you won't earn much on your money. Some users say customer service can be hit or miss, especially when calling in. There are also fees for overdraft, out-of-network ATMs, and wire transfers unless you have a premium account. Chase is a traditional bank, so it's not as flexible or fee-free as some online banks. International travel can also bring extra fees. Overall, Chase checking is a solid for people who want a strong physical banking access and features, but it comes with fees that online banks often avoid. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you guys value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.